Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can use CapCut Chroma key to remove pink background. So you can use this feature to delete colored parts of the video, such as green screen and etc. So again, in this video, I will try to show you how to use it on the green screen videos. So just tap on your project and then select the green screen video that you have, for example. Alright, to removing the background using Chroma key, you can click on the clip and then select the cutout. So Chroma key is here, and just click on it and select color picker, which is select your color that you want to remove, which is this green screen on this video, and just select intensity, adjust for it, and adjust shadow until you find it perfect. Just click check mark if you are done. So that's it. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.